my beloved religious, spiritual, community leaders, and global family members, including indigenous people. It is a distinct honor and privilege to offer a benediction at this esteemed forum on faith. I extend my gratitude to the church and all the organizers for permitting me to chant ancient Vedic prayers. I will begin with the prayers in Sanskrit, followed by the English translation. धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनं पूर्वारिगुम्यवन्दनां मृत्युर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ओम सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयम् सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा गच्छन्तु कपात् भवेत् असुतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु ओम शांति शांति शांतिः Om pervading the earth, consciousness of the physical plane, the intermediate space, consciousness of vital force and sky, heaven, consciousness of the divine mind, that divine essence of the sun, which is the most adorable, and meditate on that divine effulgence. May that awaken our spiritual consciousness. Om, we sacrifice to Triambaka, the fragrant incisor of the prosperity. Like a cucumber from its stem, might I be freed from death, not from deathlessness. Om, may there be well-being in all, may there be peace in all, may there be fulfillment in all, may there be auspiciousness in all. Om, may all be happy. May all the free from illness. May all see what is auspicious. May no one suffer. Om, lead me from the untruth to the truth. Lead me from darkness to light. Lead me from death to immortality. Om, that is infinite. And this is infinite. This infinite proceeds from the infinite. Taking the infinitude of the infinitude, it remains as the infinite alone. Om, may everyone in the whole world be happy. In conclusion, O God of all, grant our New York State Governor and all public servants the forum of faith, wisdom, compassion, love, harmony, and determination to legislate while representing the best interest of all New Yorkers, regardless of their religion, ethnicity, culture, or traditions. We all are equal and deserve the respect that is rightfully ours. Begin the day with love, spend the day with love, fill the day with love, and end the day with love. That's the way to connect with the divine nature of the universe. Love all, serve all. May the divinity bless all of us forever. In the name of God, may we say